What if the Earth had two suns? Have you ever imagined what it would be like to look up at the sky and see two suns shining above us? What if, suddenly, our planet was orbiting not one, but two stars? How would this change life on Earth? Welcome to the amazing world of what-ifs. Today, we're going to explore a science fiction scenario that may seem impossible, but it's not that far from reality. What if Earth orbited two stars? How would the climate change? How would humans and animals adapt? Get ready for a fascinating journey through the universe of science and possibilities. If Earth had two suns, one thing would be certain. The climate would be radically different. Depending on the type of orbit, the heat could intensify, making some parts of the planet practically uninhabitable. Imagine a world where the Sahara Desert would stretch across entire continents, while the polar regions would melt under the heat of two suns. But there is more. Season cycles would become unpredictable. Endless summers in some regions, while others would face eternal days of winter. Plants would have to evolve to withstand extreme temperatures and constant light fluctuations. And how would we humans live on such an inhospitable planet? To survive, we would have to adapt drastically. Technology would be our greatest ally. Cities could be built underground or in areas protected from intense radiation. Solar energy wouldn't be a problem. In fact, with two suns, we would have unlimited sources of energy to power our cities. But what would happen to our daily habits? What would it be like to live in a world where nights were extremely short, or perhaps didn't even exist? The impact on sleep, human behavior, and our health would be profound. What about animals? The creatures that inhabit our planet would also need to evolve to withstand these extreme conditions. Perhaps we would see the emergence of species capable of withstanding intense heat, or even nocturnal animals taking over the Earth to avoid long days of sunlight. Ecosystems as we know them would collapse, forcing a total reorganization of the food chain. Tropical forests could disappear, while deserts and savannas would spread like never before. And here's something even more interesting. Systems with two suns, known as binary star systems, actually exist. In our galaxy, there are billions of systems with two or more stars. But if Earth orbited two stars, its orbit would be unstable. We could be flung out of the solar system, or pulled closer, with fatal consequences. While it's fascinating to imagine what it would be like to live under two suns, the truth is that the delicate balance we have with our single sun is what allows life to flourish here on Earth. But what we learn by exploring these hypothetical possibilities gives us deeper insight into just how special our planet is. And you, have you ever imagined what it would be like to live in such a different world? Keep asking yourself, what if, because these questions lead us to explore the unknown. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and discover more incredible scenarios that challenge our imagination. Until next time, and if